Hey guys, it's Vashell and welcome back to my life. Happy Cinco de Mayo to those of you who are celebrating that. Today, well tonight actually, I'm headed back down to Barely. I'm going to their fish fest. You guys know I did a sightseeing vlog in Barely about a month or so ago, and the guys did tell me that I needed to experience their fish festival. It happens in the community of Barely on the first Friday of every month. So we're headed down there tonight. I'm picking up some friends. Kenisha is going to be there. The neighbor's dog. Let me go. I'm back. It's the next day. Babe, oh sorry, hold on. Go ahead, sorry. Yeah, it's the next day and I had a good time last night. It is not 100% what I expected. I expected a little bit more culture, but the food was really good. I had, traditional dried saltfish with provision. Jason had conch soup. They had bacon shack. They had fried chicken if you wanted that too. The vibe was really good. Police presence was there, so it was, you know, pretty safe. I didn't see any squabbles or anything. I even saw the commissioner of police, you know, enjoying himself at the Barley Fish Fest. So I definitely will go back. I did not get like a whole lot of footage because like there wasn't really much to capture. Everybody was just standing around, eating, talking, dancing, socializing. It was really wholesome and I loved it. So today's actually the launch of Vincy Mass. Oh my gosh, like one of my favorite times of the year. I love Vincy Mass. I do not have plans on attending the launch today. Yeah, I'm not going to that. I'm actually going to, Jason and I are going to Kingstown now. I want to take him to this store to see a couple of things that they have. That's unplanned. But where I really want to go this morning is to the beach because I'm not sure if I mentioned in any of my previous vlogs, I started going to the gym, like this is my 2nd month and it still kills me. Like I still get very, very sore. So I'm going to the beach to kind of soak and relax my muscles this morning. And then I have a couple other things that I need to do for the rest of the day. So you guys are going to be with me all day today. I hope it's interesting. Yeah, so there we go. It's not a particularly busy Saturday. People are out. I was trying to see if I get the feel of Vincy Mass to see if, you know, I catch a vibe or anything. But I ain't hear no soca. I ain't see no evidence that we're launching Vincy Mass today. I know they're doing a few things, but in the city itself, it just feels like every other Saturday. So we're almost at this store. The store that we're going is called Cloud9. It's like a discount store. I think it's our version of Ross, where you can find like so many different type of things, different brands at a discounted price. So that's where I'm dragging Jason today.
All right.
Good morning. Yeah, so here they have like a whole lot of things. This is the guy section, this is the men's section.
The bulge.
Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's just like rows and rows and rows of clothes. All different, it's a mixture of different brands, styles, everything. So it's like Ross. Oh, they have workout stuff. I have not been in here in a very long time. So let me see if Jason finds anything. This is, hold on. This is my outfit for the beach / Kingston. I just have on the same shorts from last night. My bikini is under here, and this is my cover up that I tied to make sure that like I'm modest to walk the streets of Kingston. Do you see anything that interests you? Because Jason is very particular. He's very particular when it comes to food, so. You see stuff? Okay. Ooh, my hair is so itchy. I have to wash it today. That's one of the reasons too why I thought today would be a good day to go to the beach, because I can just wash my hair when I'm done. Cloud9, we saw a couple of things that Jason was interested in. So we'll have to come back and, you know, spend more time thoroughly searching to see if there's any other gems in between. I was telling Jason that maybe once or twice a year they have this massive like 50% off store-wide sale that people go crazy for, including my mother and my aunties. That's how I learned about Cloud9. So we'll definitely be taking advantage when they have that sale. So now we are going to Flow because I need to pay my bill, and then we head to the beach.
Yeah, I don't actually.
Because I know I'm on
Complaining a little while ago that I wasn't getting the vibes or seeing anything, but look at you! I'm going into Flow now to pay the bills.
Run. Yeah, me boy.
Okay. That is worrying. Well, I made it past the unstable boardwalk. Oh, it's a hot crab. And I'm on the beach. Yay. It's quite empty. It's a beautiful day, so I don't know why the beach ain't full. But that's good for me because I'm not really a fan of crowds per se. But it's so pretty. along this strip is a bunch of hotels, Paradise Inn, Sunset Shores, Beachcombers. Yeah, this is where all of those are. Just need to find right here. So yeah, this has shade. Where we going? Right here so has shade. So this is a good spot, and I think I can even put you guys here. Let me see. Yeah, I can even put you guys in. The lighting isn't the best because the sun is that way, but at least you guys are stable. I need to get some content for Instagram. So I'm going to do that, and then I will talk back to you guys. I'm upset because Jason is taking a million pictures, but none of them I don't like. They may look good, and I feel sad. You know, when you just want to take one good picture and it's just not working out. It is literally the most frustrating thing. Like there's so many, but I'm really irritated. I don't even feel like I want to go in the water again, honestly. I don't know, I'm gonna sit down for a few minutes and see if I change my mind. But I just need one good picture for Instagram, no man. The picture gods need to bless me. Work with me today. Yeah, let me put you guys back here. Where were you at? I think you were here. Oops. Oops. Yeah. So. We're going to try again. We're going to try again to get one good picture, even if it's just for the thumbnail. What are you thinking? Where do you want me to go? Just tell me. Tell me first, and then I'll put it down. I'm just not photogenic. I'm just not one of those people. You know? Hold on, I'm putting you guys down, so you can see what's going on.
I want the sun on your face.
Okay. I may have at least gotten one for the thumbnail. I'm gonna go in the water now. Such a good soup. Yeah, I feel like my body, my limbs feel looser. I'm not even cold. So I'm glad that I came and it's time to go. I feel like we should buy lunch from Lana. You know what? I feel like we should try. This guy's selling the Vincy. The best what?
And plums and papaya right here. Plums and lovely papaya too.
Oh, I don't know papaya.
They're
How much
plums.
is plums?
$5 bag.
Right.
Take 2 for it. Yes, boss. National, international foods. Come on.
You went buy plums?
Come on, man.
2 for 8?
2 for it. Come on, this business. Take off a $2 play. We can buy 2. But 5 for 1. Short meeting now. Yes, man. It's a hustling, man. It's a production. Rastaman thing. Come on. Papaya good for the body, you know. Come on, man. This is the best thing representing right here, so now. And this is original too. So where the man from?
Okay, so this is a $5 bag of what we call Beckwith plums. You know what? If you are not from St. Vincent, like have a look at this and tell me what do you call this where you're from. So here, Beckwith plums, I think named after one of our Grenadine islands, Beckwith, where they grow in abundance. So when it's Beckwith plum season, you try to get a Beckwith friend. Yeah. Okay, you guys cannot see me. I'm trying to make a makeshift tripod situation here. But okay, so I'm back and it's nighttime. I took a very much well needed nap and I'm ready to head out again. Like, don't get fooled. This is not my normal life. I'm not like going all over the place. I have my mirror here because I'm trying to figure out if, can you guys see me? If I should go out with my hair like this, because I was actually supposed to wash it when I got back from the beach, but that did not happen. I didn't wet it, so it's not too bad. It's just in this very, very old wash and go, which elevated into a high puff. So I'm just really going to wear it like in an afro like this, because it doesn't make sense for me to like add product and everything when I really will have to wash it tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, so tonight we are going to the a showing of the Hairouna Film Festival. This the Hairouna Film Festival has become an annual showing of Vincentian and Caribbean filmmakers projects. Jason's brother has a film that's showing tonight, so we are going to watch that and, you know, give support to him and all of the other filmmakers. Tonight is local night, so I think all of the films that will be showing tonight will be from local videographers and filmmakers. So I have not been. This is, I mean, they've been doing it for a couple of years and I have not been. So I'm excited to see, you know, what it's all about and just support our content creators, because they need it, especially in St. Vincent. They need the support. So that's what I'm going to do now. Jason is actually making dinner because we want to eat before we go. So as soon as he's finished, I'm gonna fill my belly and then we're going to head out. Okay, so we made it. Like I said before, we're at Calico. And I just don't know. Oh yeah, okay. I'm sorry?
Go back inside there.
Yeah, but there's a lot of people.
So, I wonder we could go for park inside there.
Do you want to park inside there? Oh no, I forgot to bring my light. We are here. Our film is already showing. I forgot my light, so I don't know if you guys can see me. They have chairs, so, but they have like a pretty good turnout, so we may not get a seat.
Speak my.
That was how it was originally built, and it was meant to deal with people who attack anything land. British planters eyed the virgin lands on the windward side of the island, where these Kalinago-Garifuna communities had settled. 8 estates were established on native lands. With them now banished, sugar production on the island boomed. From 1795 to 1796. Small remnants of the Kalinago-Garifuna communities are still intact in the northern part of the island. The descendants of the...
Okay, so Jason and I were late. We actually were only able to see about 1.5 of the films, sadly. But the last film, Sugar Land by Acme Alton, was very, very powerful. It has me in my feels right now. They're having a little Q&A session with the filmmakers. So everybody's talking about the inspiration behind their film. I'm really sad that I didn't get to see everyone's film.
But it wasn't easy, and then when we had to move back home to see all that was happened in our area, some of us, we couldn't move back to our homes we had to move to other places. Some of us were relocated because of the destruction. Our roofs fell in.